Great. So welcome everyone to this, the final day of the Near Certified Developer program. So I'm really glad to see you guys here. There are admittedly fewer of you right now on this session. However, I'm really glad to see everyone that's here. And well, really today is a day for you guys. You are the ones that are gonna show us what were you doing this week, what were you up to, and and that's pretty much it. So first of all, I actually was checking the list of registries for your projects for your demo day, and I actually saw none from Africa. So I wanted to ask you guys: has anyone actually, well, did anyone actually register to submit a project, a proposal? So you can raise your hand if you did. There's only four of you right now. Okay, I see no raised hands. Okay, now the next question. Have you guys actually worked on your project? So no matter if you didn't actually submit it as a proposal, did you work on your project? And you can actually show us what you were doing. Like it doesn't matter you think it's incomplete or something like that. If you if you did work on your project, you can actually show us or tell us what were you doing. So I'm gonna, well, there's a few of you, so I'm gonna ask you directly. So Shendrak, how did your project go? What were you working on? You there, Shendrak?
Sorry, Isaac. Can you come up again, please? With the question.
Okay. Couldn't really hear you, Shandrak. Sorry.
I'm saying I didn't get the question well. Just mentioned in my name. Didn't get the question well. Please, you can ask and let
Sorry to interrupt you, Shandrak. You're cutting off. Like it seems like maybe slow internet. Like I just can't hear parts of what you're saying.
Oh, I'm breaking up.
Oh, okay. I got that. Okay. Thank you so much, Shandrak. Just keep doing that. We don't want any accidents. Thank you, Shandrak. Well, he's driving, so he definitely can't talk right now. Okay, so next one, Winnie. Winnie, tell us, how did your project go? Um, what were you working on this week? So go ahead, Winnie. Tell us, how did it go? Winnie, I can hear you. No, or since Winnie can't hear us, okay, let's go next to the next person. So Yulu, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yulu, how did you do? What were you working on this week?
Hey guys,
Hello.
I just started my project. Yeah, so I've not gone that far because now I've only done the my login forms. Yeah.
Okay, that's okay, Yulu. And thank you so much for coming forward to tell us. And well, let's keep going. So next person, Justus, what were you doing? What did you work on this week? Come on, share with everyone, how did your project go?
Okay, what I was doing this week, I was able to familiarize first with the the language, and then I develop a simple contract that it's kind of database that will restore the scores of students in a class. I decided to go that route,
Mhm.
but as well, this week has been very kind of busy for us in Africa, specifically in Kenya,
Oh, okay.
because we lost our president, so we were kind of mourning. Yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. I totally get it, Justus. So, well, I see that you actually went ahead and developed a contract. You want to share with us more about it? Like maybe show us some code, maybe tell us what the contract do. Doesn't matter if you think it's a small one. Like if you see the contracts I made on class, those were like really simple contracts. So, can you just share us what did your contract do, or if you want to show us, we can actually see it too.
Okay, I've not run it. It's actually on my laptop. I'm currently
Oh,
on my phone.
okay.
So, but I was able to insert like you you say like maybe age is a string and or integer. I'm in the process of building it, but I know by early next week, that is on Monday, Tuesday, I'll be able to submit my contract, running and working.
Okay, thank you so much, Justus. Good, good, good. Okay, I see some more people have joined the call. Well, Cynthia has already been certified, so let's go. Dino or Deno. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's Dino. So Deno, can you hear us? Want to share with us what you were working on this week? I don't think he has fully joined the session, so yeah. Okay, guys. So basically, the whole week was meant for you guys to actually work on your contract, and today was the last day for submitting a working contract. I see that some of you guys were actually working, and from the past calls, I see that you guys were actually getting familiarized with all of this development. So that's actually a win for me. I got you guys to start working on this, so that's pretty good. The only thing that remains here really is just to invite you to the next certification, right? You are some of you already have some work done on their contract, and even though you think it's really simple, like Justus, trust me, it's not. You are the fact that you are interacting with the blockchain, that's actually something already huge, right? You are interacting with the blockchain, you are writing information to it, and all of that just using a smart contract. So that's a lot of learning that you already have done, guys. So for that, I congratulate you. But yeah, okay, I see that Dino has already joined the session. Dino, hi, can you tell us how did this week go for you, for your project? What were you working on? Dino, can you hear us? Or Deno? Again, I apologize if I'm butchering your names. Okay, I think Deno cannot hear us. I saw Muimi. Muimi, I think that's how it's
Hello.
pronounced. Oh, hello,
Hello.
Dino. Hey, go
Okay.
ahead.
I've been trying to join the meeting from the previous weeks.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I've been trying to click the Google link. So I've been joining, and I find that there is nothing going on.
Oh, on a Google meeting?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you got some other meeting or meetings here in, well, on this certification program. We're always on here on Zoom. So I think maybe you have been clicking some other link. But yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for telling us that, Dino. Okay, I see some more people joining the call. So as they join, I'm gonna keep going with this. Okay, so Muimi, well, they left. Yeah, they left. Okay. So I see Brian Adams. Brian Adams, I see you just joined the call. So welcome, first of all. And well, go ahead. I'm asking everyone else, how did the week go? How did your project go? What were you working on? And what would you need to finish your project? So if you can tell us, Brian Adams. Brian. Hello, Brian. Can you hear us?
Yes, hello.
Hello. The audio was cycling. Okay, one moment. Chat. Oh, it's the first time you're okay. Okay, so Brian, I think he was having some audio connection problems. So let's keep going. Timothy Agevi or Ahevi, again, really sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Timothy, so how did your project go? What were you working on this week?
Well, the project went on fine. Not too easy, not too hard. It was just fine. So I was working on an NFT project, time where one would upload maybe a document, which I really wanted to put it as title deeds. Eventually, will be title deeds where they can upload it. Then it's minted to be an NFT. And if someone wants maybe to purchase a property, they change ownership of that NFT.
Okay.
That will enhance transparency. Yeah, so basically that was what I was working on.
Okay, that sounds actually good, Timothy. You have any smart contract? Did you develop a smart contract for the certification?
On major smart contract.
So you did develop a smart contract? You want to show us?
I haven't completed. I
It's
got some
okay.
few. I got an error. I got an error in the end.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Like,
I'm still trying to debug that one.
okay. If you want, you can just share what did the actual smart contract do, so everyone gets an idea of what they can use maybe for a future certification. So what did your contract do? Or was it a simple contract, just a few clauses? Go ahead and tell us, Timothy.
So basically, what the smart contract needs to do, it gets the token. Then I created also a variable which internal storage to get like the account which has sent that token. The token itself, the account which has sent that token, and I was in the process of making another variable if they want to transfer ownership.
Okay.
Which account it's going to be transferred to.
Okay, I get you, Timothy. Okay, that actually sounds like you did a lot of things in your contract. I'm quite surprised that you didn't submit that contract. So I would actually recommend you to go ahead and submit it, right? Because it sounds like you actually did some work with it, and I would recommend you use the link that I sent you guys yesterday on Discord and or Telegram and submit your project. So you can actually participate for the certification, right? So it doesn't matter, like you said, you got an error, but it sounds like you actually got a lot of other things working. So that's pretty good, right? So I would suggest you to submit your project for certification. Okay.
Okay, sure. Let me look for that link.
Okay. If you don't have it, I'll send it to you in a bit. I think I have it right here. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, Winnie, I'm seeing your comment here on the chat. Yeah, I know that feeling. I think Brian Adams was having the same problem with two devices, and the echo was really weird. So yeah, I get you. It's okay. Okay, so everyone, that's the link where you would have to have submitted your project. So if you, I see a couple of you guys actually work on the smart contract, but didn't submit anything, which I don't know why you didn't, guys. That was the whole point of this certification. So if you have something working, doesn't matter if it's not complete. It doesn't matter if maybe one of the methods gives you an error. As long as some of the other methods are working fine, that's actually fine by me. Just go ahead and submit your project. I will take a look at them. And if not, just remember, guys, this is not the only certification. I can actually invite you to the next one. If you have something that you don't want to submit for whatever reason on this session, but you can keep working on that project and actually submit it on the next certification, and maybe you'll have a head start, right? Because you already have some work done. So it would be a bit easier, I think, for you guys. That way you can actually participate again to get certificated here on the new certified developer program. So anyone else that want to share with us what were they doing on this week? Hi, and welcome back, Cynthia. Yeah, I see that's pretty much everyone. I already asked directly to everyone what were they doing. So okay, um, really would want to see what you were working on. So just submit it so I can take a look. I can see what you did on this week, and again to invite you to the next certification. You can always keep participating on these near certified developer certifications. And well, thank you so much for coming, guys. It was a pleasure to have you guys here, and have a nice day. I really wish you good luck if you decide to take the certification again, which I actually would encourage you to do so, because, like I said before, this is a you already have a head start if you were working on this, and you already know what we are going to do on the certification. You already know that you need to program a contract and submit a working contract, right? So maybe if you felt like you needed some more time, you can check everything or all of the resources we got you here on the Notion document, and start learning on yourself, and maybe take the certification again. I'm gonna send you the Notion document again, just in case you want to keep going for the certification. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you so much for coming, and good luck on your future endeavors. Okay, Justus, sorry, before we go in, I see you have your hand raised. Yeah, go ahead, Justus.
Okay, Clark, I just once again, we in Africa, the way we work, most of us are in college, we work with maybe timelines. So I wanted to get a clarification that regarding timelines, if I do this project and then get it certified, by what time will I be able to get this certification document, so that when I go to an institution or a place when I want to start a company, I've got a document that shows that I'm a near certified one. So kindly, could you give us a timeline that after submitting a project, I know you said you will review, but after how long do we expect maybe to get the downloadable version of a near certified developer? That's all that I want.
Okay, yeah. Basically, like if you submit it today, I usually use the whole next week to evaluate your projects, right? Because I have to download it, I have to get them running on my computer, and I have to test them. So it usually, there are more participants, so it takes me like about a week. But like in this case, there are not that many participants, so maybe 2 or 3 days, like Monday to Wednesday, I would get the certification done. So it's really a matter of how many participants there are, and if I manage to get the project running, which if you use like one of the templates I gave you or something like that, it shouldn't be any problem for me. So yeah, that's the time frame. Just in order to like avoid any mistakes, just think about a week after the certification ends. So a week from now, that would mean on next Friday, you should have already your answer about your certification.
Yeah, now the downloadable certificate will be getting by next week.
That is correct. Yeah,
Okay, so
perfect, Jesus. Okay, anybody has any other questions before we wrap this up? It doesn't seem like it. Okay, again, guys, thank you so much for coming. I really encourage you to retake this certification. I think you guys have potential to actually get it because some of you were actually working on this, and I really think you should have submitted something at least this week so I can take a look. Again, submit it if you can, so I can see what you guys were working on. So thank you so much for working and good luck.